How to send money from PrizePick to Cash App. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now unfortunately, PrizePicks does not support direct connection between Cash App. So you can't really directly withdraw directly to Cash App. The only supported methods for you to be able to withdraw money from PrizePicks is through PayPal and bank and through cards that you have utilized to deposit. So there's still an alternative over here that what you could do. So what you're going to do is when you're depositing money inside of PrizePicks, the very first time, utilize the Cash App card. Cash App offers cards, whether it's debit or credit card, and you will be able to utilize that like a normal physical card. So you're just simply going to utilize your Cash App card that you have and deposit it into your PrizePicks. Now, since you have utilized that to deposit, it will now establish a connection. Now in PrizePick, simply navigate to your request withdrawal option over here. If you click on the three lines on the top right of your UI, and you should be able to simply withdraw or get money out of PrizePicks back into your Cash App since that is your associated debit card. There's also a withdrawal limit of $10 over here, so keep that in mind as well. So as of now, those are or that's the possible way for you to be able to withdraw or get or send money from PrizePicks to Cash App. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.